clot. Hey, outside. Oh. Georgetown. Guyana. Tell them I feel with money. Hey, we start off a show. I feel with money.
Hey people, welcome to Channel Michael TV. Subscribe, expose for telling here.
Hey guys, welcome back to our next YouTube video. Big up on yourself. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and watch the ads. Guys, may I tell you that show you bad. Well, Renee 6:30. May I tell you say she don't want just the bro. You know, so me can't do a show it because I know on YouTube. You know, I know on YouTube and me do. Oh, but may I tell you say Renee 6:30 just away, bro. May I tell you she look good. But I can't post she, you see me? Yeah, man. So them the panning way to the show. So guys, I'm gonna give you the small vlog. Cause you don't know Shana Chin, our channel controller, give you a little small vlog. So you know me, I'm gonna share it with you. So guys, watch the full video and don't forget to like the video and follow me on the Instagram. You see me? Yeah, man. Outside.
Anyways, Beenie Man gave a very good performance at the UBS Arena last night. Now, Footer Hype have said there are going to be some surprise artists. Footer Hype, yes, big up yourself, Footer Hype. I saw Bob Marley came out on stage last night. Peter Touch came out on stage last night. Coco T came out on stage last night. The surprise that we got last night was Tupac and Biggie Small work on the same stage last night. We even see Michael Jackson step on stage and do his thing. Whitney Houston shelled on the stage. Prince came out and Prince did a wonderful job. You understand? I mean, I tell us the people, Jesus Christ, Footer Hype, you not miss when you say surprise artists are go there at one place, you know, because they did show up and show off. Gully Bop come out and did some things. Merciless come out and do a little thing. Me never did look for them people, but a whole heap of people come out. Last night was awesome. It was a wonderful night. You understand? Like I said, great performance, Beenie Man. You did your thing. But for Footer Hype, who said some surprise artists was going to be there, all those surprise artists was there. Big respect to all the artists them who show up and give us strength on stage. You guys did a wonderful job.
So guys, as me about to show you the cartel part, me see this a video pop up, so me have to show you with the one Kevin, you see me? And give you a little piece of, you don't know Beenie Man show. It look like he not go on bad, you see me? I say, but him say, Footer Hype did say certain things and he never see certain things. You see? Hype say surprise artists that forward, no forward, you see me? But we not talk too much still because me are jumping off the cartel part right now and me gonna see what I go on. World boss. What we do tonight?
Remember, Guyana, later. We are not aware. We are not play. Wow. Fully active, one Guyana. You hear that? One G-Town. Shana controller, yeah. Like controller.
Tommy Bright like you're here, the Charlie's girls they're here. All of the girls are there. You know it thing go. I Shana there, Renee there, Shana controller there. Matsus there. You know Moon is here, everybody is here to show the love. Harvey is here, and the lawyer is here. Scatter is here, and TJ is here. Now, you have been waiting, GT. They tell me, say, who are the original Gaza fans. They tell me, say, one time, Kartel, not the Jamaica, I'm on the response to Vybz Kartel. Me want them to prove it to me. They tell me, say, all who broke to it now, say, block. GT, we're gonna do it like this. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you pay your money, come out to see the general. Are you ready? Let's get ready to rumble. The undisputed champion of all time. The man over the way part. Lyrics paper to pen. Listen me, the general, 13 years. When I say Addy, you say teacher, Addy. Addy. When I say voice, you say Kartel voice. Voice. When I say word, you say boss. Red. Red. Are you ready? Let's go.
So guys, you know say if me fi play the whole of the video, you know say that too long, you see me? So me just give a little piece there so you see it. You can see say after the show still, them go have drink, you see me? All of them go have drink together, you see me? And say cheers to life. You can see say the dog well satisfied with the turnout where him get, you see me? So the dog just say, yo, make we celebrate, make we have a drink, you see me? Yeah man, so me I make you see that part there, you see it? And tell me one thing, put it out in the comment section. Remember if you like the video, you see it?
Watch your step, my boss. Watch your step. Watch your step. The step down the street. Watch your steps.
Current moment, this is the most expensive jacket I've ever worn in my life. I can't even say the word good. I've ever worn. Okay? Okay? This is 200,000 USD on my shoulders and over my back. This have Kartel sweat, you know. You can't talk to me. This is the most expensive outfit I ever worn. Guys on the rim.
Big up controller. We just shell Guyana. Like controller.
That's, hey, jacket expensive.
Let me tell you something. So the catalog extensive. I said the jacket expensive.
But no.
Big up my brother and I'm a friendship.
Oh. Hey, it was expensive. And it was expensive.
So guys, before we reach at the part where them have drink together, you see me? Yeah man, some of the comments that say, yo, nobody can tell me say Vybz Kartel and that girl are not there. But me not in the mix up, I just comments me and read. You see me I say, yeah man. Anyway, Shana Controller have on Vybz Kartel jacket and I said, this is Vybz Kartel sweat. Guys, tell me what you think in the comment section. I mean, even read no more comments.
On to the Serenade plate. Serenade plate there. So my plate here, Renee shut down the bone them.
Ready?
Yes.
What's that?
Richie, cheers to Richie. What a journey. Good things are journey. Stay on your feet.
So guys, you come to the end of the video. You see me I say? No, not the end of the video. Because somebody texts me on Instagram and I say, oh, I'm not showing no more vlog with the pregnancy. With Shan from Shan and Michael TV. Yeah man, this channel. Yeah man. So she knows she near for her baby now. So she went to the doctor, right? So I'm gonna show you guys how the doctor search for the heartbeat for the baby. And put it in the comments. Tell me what type of baby you think it is. You see me? Yeah man.
Não,